So, welcome to the next video. This one's on the bit of an update on the Leicester D. So, just ordered a load of parts for it, and from Stationary Engine. The other bits are coming tomorrow, and let's have a look. So, here we are. Let's see why I got scrolled away. So, new piston ring set. Various small parts, so springs, some new governor springs, new external governor spring, nice new water tap, this film will focus, nice new spark plug, oil, good old Morris oil, and a new shallow exhaust silencer. And these ones, gasket sets. So, the gasket set and the gasket set. And that's everything. So, got another order coming tomorrow, so shall have a look at that as well.